everyone, I'm Chef Jade, and today I'm going to talk about my trip to Rio de Janeiro and its delicious places to eat. I'll start with the most luxurious restaurant first, Otek. Last year, 50best.com named it one of the best restaurants in the world. Located in a historic former house in the Botafogo neighborhood, Otek is best known for its fresh fish, pulled right from the massive tank near the open kitchen, and its award-winning natural wines. Rio is filled with also plenty of sophisticated, yet accessible restaurants as well. Take a look at Lilia, is a funky spot on the top floor of an old townhouse in the Lapa neighborhood. Lilia's chef, Lucio Vieira, has a knack for cooking vegetables. The flavors here are fresh and bold, just the way I like them. For a smorgasbord of bold flavors, check out Junta Local. This is an open-air market, known as a feira, where Rio's culinary rising stars show off their skills. The lineup varies depending on the host location, but you are bound to have a memorable meal no matter who is cooking. If you know me, you know I love my coffee. Downtown's Curto Cafe has some of the best coffee in Rio, sourced from Brazilian growers. This bustling cafe also has some good snacks and pastries for anyone looking for a bite. In addition to coffee, I also love my sweets, and Rio's Confeitaria Colombo is a confection lover's paradise. The pastel de nata, a creamy custard tart, is the specialty. And I couldn't leave without mentioning Rio's music and nightlife. Bossa Nova, literally new thing, the popular hybrid of jazz and samba, was born here. So if you like that, Ipanema's restaurant Vinicius e Bossa Nova Bar is a great place to hear the smooth, mellow sounds that captivated the world. I love chilling here with a good glass of wine. For a higher energy club, I recommend Rio Scenarium. Located in the Centro neighborhood, this multi-level bar is one of the most famous in Rio. Here, you can sip some great cocktails while listening to a diverse array of live music. As someone who loves great food, cultural diversity, and nature, Brazil has quickly emerged as one of my favorite travel destinations. I can't wait to return and dig into a warm bowl of vegan feijoada as soon as I get off the plane. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.